In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best keychain. So let's get started. Number 7. Victorinox Tinker Tool. The Victorinox Tinker Tool is a sturdy, reliable keychain from a brand with a long and reputable history of multi-tool manufacturing. This product features Swiss-made stainless steel construction in all its functions, encased in polished black ABS scales that form a durable container. It includes a 2.45-inch blade, screwdriver, and can opener, along with 9 other useful functions. Its compact size and shape allow it to fit easily in any bag or pocket in addition to the keyring attachment. You can use the Tinker for countless tasks in the home, office, or outdoors, including opening bottles and stripping wires. Victorinox sells this product in 5 different colors and 3 sizes with different tool sets included, along with a lifetime guarantee to ensure the quality of the workmanship. Number 6. Keyport Mocha Tool. If you want a sleek keychain multi-tool that has a lot of functionality without taking up too much space, check out the Keyport Mocha Tool. This incredibly light product contains 10 different functions while weighing less than an ounce. It's made of polished stainless steel and, at only 1/10 of an inch, it thick can fit anywhere with ease. The Mocha is also TSA friendly, so you can safely bring it onto airplanes without fear of it being confiscated. You never have to feel naked without it while traveling again. Its functions include a bottle opener, screwdriver, box opener, and various other basic tools for solving common problems. Though it may not carry the widest array of tool options on our list, it still manages to fit a lot in for its size. Number 5. Night Eyes Doohickey. If you're only looking for the most basic functions or you're not sure exactly what you need, a safe and affordable option is the Night Eyes Doohickey. It includes 5 common tools, a flathead screwdriver, box cutter, metric and imperial rulers, 3 differently sized wrench-shaped inserts, and a bottle opener. There's also an integrated carabiner clip, which makes it useful for attaching items to your backpack, such as a water bottle or keyring. It's made of stainless steel, which makes this keychain multi-tool very durable and suitable for everyday use, and one of the most compact and portable options on our list. The Doohickey is also TSA friendly and backed by Night Eyes' worry-free guarantee, so you can feel confident that your purchase will last a long time. Number 4. Gerber Dime Mini Multi-Tool. The Gerber Dime Mini Multi-Tool is one of the bulkier items on our list because it comes with a serious array of tools in a tough and protective case. This keychain multi-tool opens in a butterfly style and contains 10 distinct tools for a variety of purposes, all crafted from stainless steel that can hold up to regular wear and tear. When you make this product part of your daily carry, you get needle-nose spring-loaded pliers, wire cutters, a fine-edge blade, and several other tools that even the experienced handyman might be glad to have in your pocket. It's convenient to carry and features an external bottle opener that can be used without even opening the multi-tool. This is a great option with a range of uses and long-lasting construction. Number 3. GKey Multi-Tool. The compact GKey multi-tool is lightweight and compact, so it's a great fit on a keyring. It's made of 420 stainless steel and is designed for outdoorsmen, bikers, handymen, etc. The device has over 16 functions, including a bottle opener, screwdriver, ruler, wrench, and a bike spoke key. The device is TSA compliant, so you can carry it on an airplane. Overall, it's very functional and well made. The wrenches are standard and metric, and if you ride a motorcycle you can use it to adjust just about anything. While it's a little bit bigger than the size of an average key, it's sturdy and lightweight. However, there have been some complaints that it may rust after a short period of time despite being made of stainless steel. Number 2. Mecom Retro Style. While the idea of a best overall keychain is fairly subjective, we're big fans of this simple, stylish, and effective keychain from Mecom. This classic keychain succeeds admirably at the task of keeping your keys and whatever else you decide to attach safe and secure, and the carabiner makes it easy to connect to any item with a strap or hook. It's made of highly polished chrome for a simple and modern look, and can be purchased in black, bronze, copper, and matte or polished silver. The carabiner is joined to the actual keychain by a short spring, giving you two options for attachment. Customers describe the Mecom Retro as the perfect keychain thanks to its smart, classic design. Attach it to a bag, a backpack, or even a belt loop with the carabiner. It's much more versatile than your average keychain. It's an especially great choice for anyone with a wallet or second item that they'd like to keep attached to their keys at all times. Number 1. Venture Keychain Bottle Opener. Say goodbye to your flimsy keychain bottle opener. The Venture keychain is as easy to use as the one you keep in your drawer, with heavy-duty construction that ensures you'll be cracking beers without the struggle often associated with keychain bottle openers. It's also highly durable, with an anti-scratch surface that ensures it'll retain that brand-new look, and includes both a large and small keyring that can be detached from the bottle opener with a single press. It also hooks onto bags or belt loops via a carabiner-style clip. According to online reviewers, the Venture keychain is solid and well made with a good weight to it, just over 2 ounces, that makes it much easier to use. The inclusion of 2 key rings is another benefit, allowing owners to organize their keys and other items and avoid searching around their bag.